and being strong is always a need to protect humans and holy land. In nation's history we should read against evil and challenge its power stance. Our religion encourages knowledge and science and civilization. Many verses in Quran encourage thinking and gathering information. الحب